To avoid putting a dent in the wallet, canned salmon is a great way to go. It's the bones in canned salmon that hold all the calcium, so they need to be mashed up right along with the salmon meat for all the benefits. But don't get turned off just yet. The canning process softens the bones so they easily break apart and are unnoticeable when mixed in with the rest of the can's contents. For a boost of calcium and omega-3s, try these salmon cakes. Salmon are loaded with calcium, thanks to their edible bones. A 3.75-ounce, 92-gram can of sardines provides 35% of the RDI, and 3 ounces of canned salmon with bones have 21%. These oily fish also provide high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for your heart, brain and skin. While seafood can contain mercury, smaller fish such as sardines have low levels. Not only that, both sardines and salmon have high levels of selenium, a mineral that can prevent and reverse mercury toxicity. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in the body. Almost 99% of the body's calcium is stored in the structure of the bones and teeth. Calcium is a nutrient necessary for the growth and maintenance of strong teeth and bones, nerve signaling, muscle contraction, and secretion of certain hormones and enzymes. A deficiency in calcium can lead to numbness in fingers and toes, muscle cramps, convulsions, lethargy, loss of appetite, and abnormal heart rhythms. While you cannot control hereditary and some environmental factors, you can still lower your risk of less calcium by making healthy diet and lifestyle choices. A well-planned diet can help prevent less calcium.